Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I'd like to thank the Honourable Member, who's obviously from the media background, for this question. Madam Speaker, Fiji had the honour of hosting the ABU, 4th Asian Pacific Broadcasting Union, which is ABU, Media Summit on Climate Change and Disaster Risk Reduction last month in Nandi. Madam Speaker, we had something like 160 delegates to the Media Summit, including broadcasters from Australia, Bangladesh, China, France, Indonesia, Japan, Kiribati, Malaysia, Nepal, New Caledonia, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, Philippines, Samoa, Singapore, Solomon Islands, Thailand, United Kingdom, Vanuatu, Vietnam and Fiji. We had various speakers, including our climate champion, who was also present at the summit, Madam Speaker. We had 3 days of rich dialogue by the delegates as far as the Media Summit was concerned. And we adopted what we call the Fiji Action Plan, which outlined the commitment to, amongst other things, ensure that the individual broadcasting organizations produce compelling educational and informational radio and television programs and develop a proactive online presence to continually highlight best practices and address new and emerging issues in the areas of climate change and disaster risk reduction. The Fiji Action Plan, Madam Speaker, also calls upon broadcasters in the Asia-Pacific region to reinforce their commitment to disseminating news and information relevant to the agenda, the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, which is UNFCCC. The Fiji Action Plan also urges broadcasters to highlight the need to achieve the 2015 UNFCCC Paris Agreement's most ambitious target, limiting the rise in global temperatures to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. It also highlights the need to stress the urgency of achieving net zero green gas emissions within the next few decades, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the Media Summit itself was an excellent opportunity for us to be able to showcase Fiji, some of the work that's been done. They met people like our climate champion. I think the Honourable Minister for Health also spoke at the summit in respect of the climate change impact on health issues. And Madam Speaker, we of course are now positioned to in fact host a major event in 2020 regarding the ABU. And we'd like to thank everybody, including many of the students that actually came from the various tertiary institutions who participated in the summit itself. Thank you, Madam Speaker.